And when you think about this with regards to the oil price, I was just in Russia last week, President Putin suggesting that we could see oil prices hitting 100. What does that mean for Saudi directly?
Remember, Vision 2030 was about diversifying our economy and our revenues. So if you look at our non-oil revenue, I will not only talk about oil revenue, our non-oil revenue has quadrupled over the last 5 years, which really shows that we are on the right path in terms of diversifying our revenues. When we see oil revenues becoming healthier, obviously we don't want to see, prices going out of control.
What's out of control?
Well, we don't want to see a very high price that actually cripples the world economy. So I think.
And what would that price be?
I don't know what that price. That is a market determined. But generally, I think we need to see a price that is good for investors, good for producers, so that they continue investing because the world needs the energy, and does not actually impact negatively the world recovery, particularly in a time like this where the world is recovering from a very devastating COVID-19 crisis. So both are working for us actually very well and supporting our plans. I mean, we have very ambitious plans in terms of diversification. We have very ambitious plans in terms of climate change initiatives that we are dealing with. We are displacing liquids with gas and renewables. We have significant infrastructure projects. I think what is happening today is helping us achieve what we have planned very carefully over the last 4 or 5 years.
So oil prices over 80, good for Saudi Arabia?
I mean, any price is good for Saudi Arabia. I don't want a price that is too low, which then will cripple investments and cause a serious energy crisis. We are seeing actually some of that already in Europe, in China, and India, where some of the policies, unintended consequences is, gas prices, not oil prices. Oil price is the least increasing energy price. Gas is quadrupling in price, not oil. Oil is possibly the lowest among the gas, natural liquid gas, etc. So yes, I would like to see a balanced price that encourages investments and bring return to producers, but also carefully not to cripple the world recovery.